Dreams Resort Puerto Vallarta. This is a club level room, which means you paid more to get a special lounge for checking in and checking out, with access to a private bar waiting for you the moment you step foot onto the resort. Once inside the club level room, you will have access to extra amenities and snacks and coffees, and your drinks will be full waiting for you in the fridge. After you unpack and step foot outside onto your balcony, you'll notice the ocean views and a soaking tub waiting for you to enjoy. If you wanted to make any special requests or room service, then just grab the iPad next to the beds and they will arrive in less than an hour. This is definitely a nicer resort with nicer amenities worth checking out. Thanks for watching.